Troubleshooting of the alternator FR signal circuit.
ECM, PCM output voltage check.
Disconnect the 4P connector from the alternator. Turn the ignition switch on. Measure voltage between the ECM, PCM connector A terminal, A24, brown with yellow wire, and the connector B terminal, B13, white with red wire.
If the voltage is about 5 volts, proceed to the next step. Alternator FR signal check. Turn the ignition switch off.
Reconnect the 4P connector to the alternator. Shift the lever to P or N and start the engine. Hold the engine at 3000 RPM and allow it to warm up. When the radiator fan comes on, let the engine idle.
Monitor the voltage between the ECM, PCM connector terminal A24 and connector terminal B13.
Check that the voltage decreases when turning the headlights and rear window defogger on. If the voltage decreases, the alternator FR signal is normal.
If the voltage does not decrease, proceed to the next step. Wiring check between alternator and ECM, PCM.
Turn the ignition switch off. Disconnect the negative cable from the battery.
Disconnect the ECM, PCM connector B.
Disconnect the 4P connector from the alternator. Connect the alternator 4P connector terminal number 4, white with red wire, and body ground with a jumper wire. At this time, check for continuity between the ECM-PCM connector B terminal, B13, white with red wire, and body ground. If there is continuity, suspect that the alternator itself is faulty, and inspect the alternator.
If there is no continuity, repair open in the wire between the ECM-PCM connector terminal B13 and alternator.
Inspect for the problematic area and repair. If the voltage is not about 5 volts measured in between ECM, PCM A and B connectors, when the 4P connector is disconnected from the alternator and the ignition switch is turned on, then turn the ignition switch off. Disconnect the negative cable from the battery.
Disconnect the ECM, PCM connector B.
Check for continuity between the connector B terminal, B13, and body ground.
If there is continuity, repair short in the wire between the ECM-PCM connector terminal B13 and alternator.
Inspect for the problematic area and repair. If there is no continuity, suspect that the ECM-PCM is faulty.
Substitute the original unit with a properly working ECM-PCM unit and recheck the symptoms and the DTC indication.